Hey everyone, this is a '09 PT Cruiser. I'm going to show you how to change out your upper engine mount on your passenger side. Now it sits right here. I've seen a lot of shops charge a lot to replace this, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Save yourself a lot of money. You can buy it at the local parts store. And I'm also going to show you how to change out the lower one on the lower side down there. But let's go ahead and get started. You really don't need any special tools. You just need a couple of sockets and a wrench with an extension on it. Okay, so keep in mind that your socket size might be different, but I'm using an 18mm for the back, and I'm using a 15mm for the two front ones. Now I'm using an air impact because it's just easier for me to do that. Let's go ahead and get this off. Take the back one off like that. Set the bolt off to the side. Then get your other socket, swap it out to the other side. Go ahead and get the two 15mm off. They're setting right here. And once you get those three bolts out, then your upper engine mount will become loose. So you just want to wiggle out from the front side, push it forward. Whenever you push it forward, you'll be able to bring the back up. And then just kind of twist it around like this. Your AC lines are right here. I've seen some shops say that you have to disconnect those, but you don't. Just kind of pull them back with your hand slightly and bring it right back up like that. And then now let's get it on the ground and swap out the other plates. Okay, so now I have it on the ground next to the other one, and you can see that you know, you want to compare the new and old one. This right here, to take off the bracket on this side, I'm using a 18mm. So go ahead and take that off. Just slide that out. Now you're going to use a T30 in order to remove the side bracket right here. Swap that over to a new piece. Now that you've got that one ready, it's ready to go back in. So now you're ready to set the engine mount back in. Just slide it right back in the way you took it out. Spin it around. Get the front side up onto the ledge. I know it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but put the front side up on the ledge right here with your hand and slide the back in. Slide it back into position just like that. Now you'll go ahead and get the bolt started on this side. I usually get these started first before I do this one. Now if your engine dropped any, you might have to lift it up using a jack from the bottom, and be sure you use a piece of board underneath it so you don't hurt the pan. Okay, now that you have both bolts or all three bolts started, go ahead and tighten up the back one. And go back and tighten up the front ones. And now you just completed changing out your passenger side upper engine mount. Now I'm going to explain to you how to do the lower engine mount, this wishbone looking one. Now I'm out of disk space, so I can't actually show you. I'm just going to tell you how to do it. Now I did take off the wheel to give you a better look at it. There is a splash shield right here that may have to come out. It's got some 10mm bolts up along here. Pull the bolt out right there, and then pull the nut off right there, which this bracket come off. Then you have another nut back behind there that's attached to a bolt going through the back. So whenever you undo that, that whole bolt would come out, then the back becomes loose. Then you come up here, take this bolt out, and the lower mount comes completely out really easy. Then you just put the new one back in and reinstall it in reverse order. But anyways, that's how you change out your upper and lower passenger side engine mounts on your PT Cruiser. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again.